Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can install Zoom application on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to App Store, so just click on App Store and you could just go to search, and in search, go to search, and in search you just write Zoom. Here you can see Zoom, so just click on it. And here you will see this application, so just click on Get near this application. Just touch ID to install it need. So just wait until it will install it to your iPhone. So just wait until it will install. So now it is installing, and here you can see open. So just click on open, and now you can see that it's you have two variants, two options. First is sign up if you haven't any existing account, or you can sign into existing account if you already sign up. So just choose sign in, and just write here your email address and your password from your account, and just sign in. After you sign in, you will see that you can join different meetings, and also everything will work. If you just haven't any account, just click on sign up, and here you add your date. After you add your name, surname, and just write your email, then you confirm your email. Just go to your email and just follow link Zoom will send to you. And after, you also can use your application without any errors. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.